Hello, welcome to the video for this Samsung NX300 mirrorless DSLR. Just a quick whistle round with what's coming with it. We have all the caps, rear body cap for the lens, front cap for the lens, and body cap for the camera, instruction booklet, camera strap, 2 USB leads, one for charging, one for data, the lens hood, charging brick, and the Samsung flash, which you pop on the top here. It's just missing this little flap here, but that's no great shakes. Most cameras don't have a hot shoe cover, but anyway, you use the flash at your will, as it were. You clip it on, clip it off. The camera comes with a really nice condition lens, and the overall condition of the camera, I'd say, is 9 out of 10. It's not bad condition at all. The screen's good, bar for the smudges I've just put on it, and a few little minor marks here and there, but it's a nice weighty object. It's nice to handle, and it does have optical image stabilization. Moving on around the side, you've got the HDMI input, you've got the USB input for charging. The little red light comes on when it's charging, so it has its own internally built-in charging circuit. The mode dial on the top here spins nicely, rotating dial for changing settings. The lens itself moves and spins nicely, and the focus ring along with the eye function feature works perfectly, and you've got autofocus, manual focus switch there. The glass is excellent. This is the Mark III ED version, 18 to 55 with the OIS built in, as I've said. So it's a handy lens if you've got some other Samsung kits, because you get built-in optical stabilization in the camera, and I think it appears in the menu, and I'm not sure whether the camera itself has optical stabilization built in. If it did, you'd have a pretty whizzo bit of kit. So it's touch screen. Let's just fire her up a moment. The sensor is in excellent condition. I can show you that in a second. And we've got the usual touch screen features, and all those work fine. And a dedicated record button for video use, Wi-Fi, NFC, and the camera strap just clips onto these lugs. All the little fittings are with the camera strap as well, so I took it off. I'm not a fan of camera straps, they just get in the way, especially when you're trying to do a video, but put it on or leave it off, up to you. So metal body for both the lens and the actual camera. Let's just put that to one side. As I say, the glass is all great on that, and that all works perfectly, and there's the sensor in there. If we can get a better shot of it, there we go, and that's in really good order. So bar 4, just a couple of minor marks. There's a few little minor marks there, and just by the side of the dial there, as you can hear, it's moving around. Just a few minor marks there. Bar for that, it's in really nice condition. Built-in battery, takes a full-size SD card. Use an SDXC if you want the highest speed, but they're all backward compatible. So really, just put your own SD card in, and you've got a really nice little bit of kit here. It'll also charge via a power bank as well, so if you're out and about, you've got low on battery, charge it from a power bank, and you can top it up whilst you're sat in the cafe or whatever. The 2 USB leads, one is the data lead, which will charge as well, and one is the actually that's the data lead, because you can tell it's thicker, and the thinner one is just 2 wires for charging, so that would be normally sat just with the power brick. But you get full instructions. You can download well, that's a quick guide, I should say. The full instructions are downloadable from Samsung support. I don't think manufacturers print the encyclopedias now to cut down on waste and shipping costs, etc. So there we are. That's the NX300, a nice capable camera, very similar to the Sony A5100, but you may well prefer some of the features that this camera's actually got. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.